Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of how to install a stereo on my 181. On the first episode we talked about how to make the plates. On this episode, the mounting plates for the speakers. On this episode we're going to talk about how to cut the receptacles and the mounting holes for the speakers. These are the fronts, this is the back. So in the following images you're going to see how to do that and how to do it correctly. These are the speakers we're going to mount. I am gonna go with 4 6.5. They're Kenwood, they're 300 watts, so in total we should be able to keep some decent amount of volume and noise going to have the stereo going with us. Why these particular speakers? Well, they're Kenwood, they are a good brand, and I found them on Best Buy on sale, so they were very affordable, and they delivered them super quickly. They literally delivered them like overnight. I didn't have to go to the store. So they are here. They appear to be good quality. I already inspected them. Polypropylene cones, very strong magnets. They are coaxial, so they should produce a decent amount of sound and a decent quality of sound. So that's for this episode. On the next episode, just a quick preview, we're going to talk about how are we going to mount the stereo. So this is a device to mount a double DIN stereo. We're going to talk about where do I plan to mount it and how we're going to go about that. I still don't have the stereo. I haven't decided on which one I want. I have reduced it to two. One is a Pioneer and the other one is a Kenwood. So I'm kind of inclined for the Kenwood because the speakers are Kenwood, but the Pioneer one, it's also a very good stereo, and it's probably $100 cheaper. So decision to come. You'll see what we decided on the next video. And enjoy this one and enjoy the series. Please subscribe, please like the video, drop me a message, drop me a line, let me know what you think, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye.